everyone, and I welcome to you in the Digital Fashion Design Zone classes. And today I came to you with the new classes for the fashion design aspirants. In this class, we will learn about the development of the price hang tag with barcode generation techniques. So it's a very important class. So let me explain you about the barcode first of all. Actually, what is barcode and what is the importance of the barcode related to our government, industry or products. So first of all, barcode is a universal product code. What is barcode? Barcode is a universal product code printed on retail products for a special identification of a particular product. So it is a way as like a universal recognitions of your specified products. So these barcode will be as identifications of any specified types of products, specified quality, specified price, and everything should be a specified. So for that purpose, for any special category of the product, we have to generate a special barcode. So this is a universal product identification codes. So it consists of two parts. First is a series of unique black bars. If you will see here, you can see that here is this is called the barcode. In this barcode you can see that there is a unique identification bars. So this is the series of black bars, and second one is the 12 digit numbers. So it consists of two things. First is the unique black bars, and beneath that bars there will be 12 digits of numbers. So I hope that you have understood about the barcode. So in this class especially we will learn how to design the price hang tags with the barcode generation technique. So let's start. So first of all, similarly we have to go to the file menu and we have to create a new file, and you have to give the name of your file as a price hang tag. Price hang tag. And all the things is already set, and then okay. Now what we have to do, we have to double left click over here, and then we have to come to this dimension bar, and we have to put the specified dimensions of this price hang tag. So their dimensions is width will be 2.87 inches. So we have to put here 2.87, and the length of this tag will be 5.75, and then we have to hit the enter button, and then as per our desires we can put the colors to this tag. Now the outlines of this hang tag has been created. After that again we have to go to the rectangle tools. First of all, we have to draw a bark guidelines at the center points of this outline like this, and then we have to take a rectangle tools and we have to draw a rectangle, and we have to increase the outline as a 1 points. After that we have to select the both object by pressing shift button from our keyboard. First you have to press the C to align into the center, and after that we have to come to this point simplify. Now we can see that it has been simplified in a proper way. So now what is the next operations? We have to go to the freehand tools, and then we have to draw a line over here at the midpoints of this Ctrl Z. We have to select this is the midpoint of this rectangle. From the midpoint we will start drawing. We have to press the Control button, then it will be horizontal. It will not be moving anywhere. It will go horizontal, or Shift press, it will go horizontal, left and right, and then we have to left click over here. After that, if you go to the pick tools, and if you want to increase the size, so you can increase like this, and if you want to create the gap, so we can create like this. We want to change the outline of this line as like this 1.5, and we can increase the length size, line size, and then we can change the color. After that, we have to come to the pick tools, and we have to select this line and press the drag, press the Control button, and the similar gap we have to drag one more, right click to generate duplicates of this line. Let me explain you again. First of all, you will select this line, you will left click, press, drag, and then press the Control button to align at the similar line, and then we have to press the right click and then leave mouse. Now you can see that one more duplicates of this line has generated. So now we have to come to the next step. We have to drag this line only at the center, and right click, we have created the duplicates of this one. And then we have to realign at a specific place and press the Shift button from your keyboard, and you can drag and drop it. So now you can see very easily another more line has been generated. So if you want to change the width of this line outline, so you can change up to 2 point over here. So now what is the next operation? So we have to put the size of our product. So what is the size? We have to go to the text tool, and we have to write here size, and we have to press the colon, and we have to size we can mention over here, and then we have to go to the pick tools, and we can change the font style of this text, and we can reduce the gap. First of all, go to the pick tools, and then right click to any color panels, and you can see that the outline colors will be changed. And if you want further change of the color, so you can change the color outline. So right click to any color panels, and outline colors will be changed. Okay. Similarly, we have to left click to this line, we have to drag by pressing Control button, and we have to drop it over here. Control Z it, drag by pressing Control button, and then right click. Now you can see that another one duplicates of this line has been generated. Now we have to type here price. We go to the text and price. So what is the price? You have to colon, double space bar we have to press, and then we have to raise any price, whatever is the price of your product, you can specify that. And like this, we have to go to the pick tools, and first of all we have to go text tool, and if you want to remove the gap between the text, so we can remove. we have to come to this font styles. So we have to change the styles of the font. So whatever style is convenient as per your design, so you can change. First to go to the pick tools, then you go to the font style, and then you can specify. Now we can increase over here, and we can change the outline color of this text by pressing right click, and you can see that outline color has been changed like this. And any one colors we can give to this outline by clicking right click to the color panels. The outline colors will be changed. After that, next very important thing is the generation of the barcode. So how we can generate the barcode for our text, for our price tag. For that purpose, first of all, we have to go to the new documents. We have to left click over here, and we have to type here barcode and hit the enter button. Now we have to go to the object insert. You can see here is an option of a barcode, so you have to left click over there, and now we have to enter the 12-digit numbers, any numbers. So any 12-digit numbers you have to enter into this box, and 13 one more numbers automatically will be generated over here. Now we have to do next, and then you no need to change anything. So from this software will automatically adjust all the things, and then go to the next and finish. Now you can see that this barcode has been generated for your specified products. It is a unique identification. Black vector box is over here. Now we have to convert it into the unique original. If you will left click, you can see that in the left bottom corner one line is generated. It means it's still not has been converted into the original form. So for that purpose, we have to go to the file, and then export. We have to export it. In downloads, we have to export barcode, export. Now okay, so after that you have to come to this panel, and now we have to go to the file menu and import. So now we have to import it. See that we have imported it. Now if you will drag and drop, so you will see that it has been converted into its original format. So you can see that like this, with the help of this process, we can generate the barcode. Now we have to reposition it in a proper place like this. If you want to increase the size, you can increase it like this, and then we have to shift into the center. Okay, now next thing is we have to copy this line, and we have to press the control button and drag and drop over here. Now the next very important operations is that we have to go to the ellipse tool, and we have to press the control button, and then we have to go again pick tools, and we have to realign it into the center. After realigning it into these positions, So we have to go to the outline menu and we have to change the outline, and we can change the color of outline also. After that we have to press the shift button and drag, and we have to drop it little bit over here. We can change the outline as a 2 mm 2 points, and we can convert it into the stitch format. So after that again we have to come to the shift and drag, and we have to drop it over here. Now we have to convert this one into a line. Okay, now after that we have to go to the text menu, and we can write here as a global fashion zone house, caps lock on. Then we have to start writing global fashion house, and after that we have to come to this big tool and now we have to come to this font size. We have to convert it to 40, and again we have to change the format, font style, and now we have to go to the text menu, and we have to come with text to path. And at this position we have to fix it. Go to the text menu, and we have to left click, and we have to provide some gap between this text. And now we have to align it in a proper way by pressing the shift key or backspace key. Now we have to come to this text menu and then pick tools, and then we have to change the outline. Come to the color panel, and you have to right click over there. Then you can see that the outline color has changes of this text. If you want change fully color, all the color, entire color, so we can change like this. Now it's okay. After that we have to go to the pick tools, and we have to select this entire image, right click, group it. After that again right click and power clip inside, and then we can power clip it. Now you can see that the full logo has also been fixed into your hang tag. After that we have to select the entire tag, right click and group it. Now you can see that this with the help of this process, this complete tag has been designed in this class. If you want to see the preview, you can go to the view and then full screen preview. Like this you can see that your price hang tag with the barcode generation techniques has been designed. I hope this class will be helpful for you. Thank you very much.